I might just drink it for the rest of my life. It's so nice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and in today's video I am showing you all the healthy food that I eat in a day along with recipes. You guys showed so much love on my last video and I thought that I should actually do more of what I eat in a day and give you recipes so you can recreate it and also get into this whole healthy eating journey in 2025. So you know that I hired a nutritionist to tell me what to eat, how much to eat, and not only did it show results on the scale, but I started getting my periods on time, actually really good, like 7-day period, good flow, along with my hemoglobin levels increasing. I was at deficit earlier. My HbA1c count has also reduced. Alhamdulillah, I'm finally non-diabetic. So this entire challenge has been so helpful for me. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and let's get into the video now. Good morning, you guys. The first thing that I eat or drink as soon as I've woken up is soaked water. Now, my nutritionist had given me a couple of options, but the ones that I enjoyed the most has to be turmeric soaked water. It's super simple to make, so let's see how it's done. Now, all you need is just 1 glass of water and 1 inch of freshly grated turmeric. You can also use turmeric powder, but fresh turmeric has more benefits. Add the ingredients in a vessel, let it come to boil and strain it, and it's ready to use. So yeah, the water is ready. It has so many benefits, including benefits for your immunity. It's also great for anti-inflammation. It helps aid weight loss. It's great for digestion. I think my most favorite part has to be the fact that it's great for immunity, because I genuinely feel like, alhamdulillah, touch wood, that ever since I started drinking this on a regular basis, the frequency of me getting like cold, cough and stuff reduced drastically. So I think this is doing amazing for the body and you have to try it. All done. Okay, post my morning juice and before breakfast, I like to take a shower. And I wanted to talk about how my body was actually bodying, but my skin was also skinning throughout this entire journey. I barely got any acne, alhamdulillah, but even if I did 1 or 2 around my cycles like I do now, this face wash helped reduce acne 3x faster than any regular neem face wash. इसके अंदर सबसे पहले है salicylic acid, which is a BHA that gently cleanses pores. So आपके सारे blackheads रिमूव होते हैं. दिस ऑल्सो फाइट्स एक्ने, लीविंग द स्किन हेल्दी एंड क्लियर. और दूसरा है नायासिनामाइड. अब ये हेल्प करता है विद लाइक एक्सेस ऑयल प्रोडक्शन एंड ऑल्सो एक्ने मार्क्स. अगर आपको हो भी जाता है डिस्कलरेशन और एक्ने स्कार्स, ये बहुत फास्ट एक्शन लेता है. आई लव हाउ दिस ऑल्सो डज नॉट ड्राई आउट योर स्किन पोस्ट वॉश. मेरा लिटरली ये एक्ने इसने 3 दिन में सबसाइड किया एंड आई फील लाइक दिस इज द बेस्ट फेस वॉश फॉर एक्ने एंड एक्ने मार्क्स. आई एम गोना लीव अ लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन विद अ कूपन कोड, सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड डोंट forget to check it out. So I'll quickly get ready. आज एक काफी hectic shoot day है, so I'll see you in a bit. I am just getting ready for the day. I have lots of shoots to do today, but it's been about 1 hour since I had my morning drink and now it's time for breakfast. And breakfast में मैंने ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा खाई है, even though my nutritionist did give me like chila and stuff, but I cannot give up on eggs. So I would have this egg omelette with just egg whites and veggies. Let me show you कैसे बनाते हैं. बहुत simple है, but still if you want a recipe, here you go. Now for the veggie omelette, I'm gonna take 2 eggs and you can pick veggies of your choice. I've just chopped fine tomatoes, onion, bell peppers, green chili, cilantro and salt. In a bowl, crack open the egg and separate the yolk, and now add all of your ingredients and whisk it all nicely. I'm using some olive oil in a non-stick pan and we'll make sure to cook the egg on low flame both sides and serve once golden brown. I like to have it with 1 wheat chapati and some chai on the side. Simple egg omelette with roti. और क्योंकि आज मैं बहुत घाई में हूँ तो मैं इसका फ्रैंकी बना के फटफट खा लूँगी एंड चाय शूट करते करते ही पी लेंगे हम. लेट मी नो आप लोगों को ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाना पसंद है एंड व्हाट्स योर वन थिंग दैट यू जस्ट कांट गिव अप. अपना ब्रेकफास्ट खाती हूँ फटफट, काम पे जाना है एंड देन आई विल see you in a bit. It's been about 2 hours since I got my breakfast done and it's time for my mid-morning glow juice. This thing right here, it tastes so bad. Like it's been about 3-4 months I've been drinking this every single day, but I still haven't been able to adapt to the taste of this one. but it's so freaking good for your body. I can't tell you how this juice right here has helped me shoot up my hemoglobin levels. I was at 11.5 before I started this whole, challenge, and now I literally got my blood work done, I think 2 days ago, and I am at 12.2, which is a great level. It's a great improvement. And even if this tastes bad, but it's doing good to my body, I might just drink it for the rest of my life. Let me show you how to make this. For the glow juice, the ingredients that you'll need will be raw gooseberry or amla, beetroot, turmeric, 9 to 10 curry leaves, jeera, black and pink salt as well. Dice everything into cubes and slices and put it in a blender with 1 glass of water. These ingredients boost immunity, improve energy, enhance hair and skin health. Once grinded, just strain the juice and enjoy. You can actually use the grinded mixture into your roti instead of throwing it away, and your glow juice is ready. I always dread drinking this, but you guys have carried this everywhere. I've attended events, I've taken this in like a leak proof container. I've gone for my dermat appointments. Everywhere I've gone, I've taken this. The benefits are so crazy. Like my blood work has, improved. But this also has curry patta in it, which is really good for your hair. My hair fall has also significantly reduced. And I am so happy. One thing, TMI, drinking this every day can also make your urine, your pee pink, which is like pee girlhood. But don't worry, it's all safe. Like it has beetroot, so it does that. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly finish this. एकदम फटफट पीऊंगी मैं, because मुझे इसका कड़वा जो टेस्ट आफ्टर टेस्ट है बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Oh no. I've clearly stained my t-shirt. Let me go change it and I'll get back. Okay, I was in the middle of a shoot and I quickly wanted to come here and eat my next meal. I actually get a little hungry, but I'm supposed to have like 100 grams of fruit in a day. Even though I've eaten papaya the most, like सबसे ज़्यादा मैंने papaya खाया and I hate it. But papaya is really good when it comes to aiding weight loss. But right now it is the dragon fruit season और मेरी mom बहुत सारा dragon fruit घर पे लेके आ रहे हैं and I've been enjoying it because it's slightly sweet and I love those little seeds that come, and it's also super easy to like eat, just peel it off and stuff. इसके भी बहुत benefits है. It's really good in growing your platelets. It's really good for digestion. इसके अंदर बहुत सारा fiber है, so you will poop really well, which is also very important if you're trying to lose weight. So yeah, I will just finish my bowl of fruits and then उसके बाद है मेरा lunch की बारी. So I'll take you through. If you get a chance to eat this fruit before it's out of season, please eat it. It's so good. Also, which is your favorite fruit? Let me know in the comments. I personally like everything except papaya, but you let me know which is your favorite fruit. और मैं ये फट से मेरा बोल खत्म करती हूँ, शूट खत्म करती हूँ और आपको मिलती हूँ मेरे नेक्स्ट मील के टाइम. लंच के लिए थोड़ी लेट हो गई हूँ मैं बिकॉज आई वॉज शूटिंग एंड देन आई डिसाइडेड टू डीक्लटर माई स्टूडियो. थोड़ा लेट हो गया. इट्स अबाउट 6 PM, बट टुडे आई एम हैविंग द मोस्ट eaten meal during my journey, and that is beetroot tikki. Before I dive into what this is, let's see how it's being made. For the beetroot paneer tikkis, you need raw beetroot, onion, cilantro, green chili, rava for binding, salt for taste, and some jeera. Chop and grate everything and add it to a bowl. Mix it well until it forms a dough-like consistency. Now let it sit for 10 minutes so that all the ingredients are nice and blended, and then roll into a ball, flatten into a disc shape, and in a non-stick pan I'm spraying some olive oil and we'll shallow fry the tikkis till both the sides are crisp and brown. This makes such a wonderful snack and I bet you'll be shocked with how healthy yet tasty this is. So my tikkis are ready, nice pinky tikkis. I'm only allowed to eat about 4 tikkis and these are all like mid size as you can see. And उसके साथ I like to have some yogurt. I usually go for Epigamia का Greek yogurt because it's so like nice and thick. But अभी मेरे पास नहीं था, so I'm going with like basic घर का yogurt. And this will add as a source of protein. Together, this tastes really good. It's more like a chaat and snack vibe. And आपको ऐसे लगेगा कि अरे बस इतने में ही कैसे पेट भरेगा. But because you're eating so many meals throughout the day, इतनी भूख नहीं लगती है एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली सफिशिएंट. फर्स्ट वीक में तुमको लगेगा कि यार दिस is not filling me enough, but थोड़े टाइम बाद ना you understand how much to eat, and उसके बाद you know where to stop. That is the best part about this challenge that I did. So yeah, it's a really nice, slightly meaty, slightly sour, spicy tikki. I genuinely enjoy having it so much. I've taken this at events also because it's so easy to like carry. I love it. With yogurt, it actually fills me up more. If I don't eat it with yogurt, तो ये कब खत्म होंगे पता ही नहीं चलेगा. Do you see the veggies? It just makes it a little spicy and fun. And I'm done. It was gone in seconds. And दही बच गई है जिसको मैं खत्म कर लूँगी ऐसे. You know, I was one of those people who would not eat her dahi without shakkar because मेरे को ऐसे plain dahi बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद उसका taste. It makes me feel like I'm sick. But life did me unfair. I wish that we could eat anything in the world possibly and not become unhealthy and become sick. And I mean food, if we could celebrate food. बट अगर मैं सही बताऊँ तो इवन दो आई ईट दीज हेल्दी मील्स दे आर सो टेस्टी कि मैं जेन्युइनली नहीं मिस करती हूँ नॉर्मल खाना इतना जितना आई फेल्ट लाइक आई वुड. सो यू नो इट्स नॉट बैड. एंड इफ यू वांट मोर हेल्दी रेसिपीज you can follow my nutritionist Instagram page. She posts something new every single day, and not sponsored, but I think her recipes are so fab. You will not really feel like you're eating healthy food. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my dahi and I'll see you during my next meal. It's dinner time and there's something that I've eaten the most. 1 salads, 2 soups. This particular salad, this one right here, it's like my favorite vegetarian salad with a really nice paneer dressing that I'm about to show the recipe to you in a bit. So let's see that. Ingredients of the salad can be any of your choice, but I'm taking some quinoa, kidney beans, corn, broccoli, bell pepper, lettuce and cucumber. You first start by washing the quinoa in a mini cooker by adding water and salt till it comes to boil, and then the quinoa will cook in about 2 to 5 minutes. It's now time to boil the veggies, so I'm again adding water and salt to boil the broccoli with corn and later also some rajmas. Now just add all of your boiled and chopped veggies in a bowl. For the dressing, in the same pot we'll add some olive oil and also garlic, diced onion, optional, but you can also add mushrooms and finally some salt to saute everything well. Once this is golden brown, add it to a blender with cilantro, pepper, paneer, 2 tablespoons of yogurt and blend everything well and together till it's nice and thick. Garnish it on your salad, toss everything nicely and enjoy. The salad is ready. It's looking so good. The quantity also is good enough. My nutritionist told me that I don't really have to worry about quantity when it comes to soups and salads. And I personally prefer having soups and salad in the night because it's always better to keep it light. And I don't know, for some reason, I never really felt attracted towards like roti and rice. Ever since I started this whole plan, one thing, मैंने जब से ना ये plan शुरू किया है, I reduced my non-vegetarian intake to like alternate days. So I don't really have chicken every single day. I do it like alternate days because chicken is also slightly complicated to digest, so it's always better to have a nice balance. That's something that my nutritionist told me. And this particular salad, the best part about this is that you can literally play with the ingredients. You can replace rajma with chickpea, which is something that I absolutely love. I love chickpea. And you can also replace broccoli with mushroom. You can add chicken to it, and I love the taste. It's like you're having something exotic. It's so nice. It almost feels like a pasta, but without the pasta. Like, you know how the gravy and the veggies taste. And it's going to be super filling. इसमें बहुत सारा fiber है. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my dinner. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be doing more of these, so don't worry. And obviously, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. Let me know which is the one recipe from this video that you will make right away. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.